Okay, today, December 27, 2025. Getting close to get again this body back on it. It's been sitting there for like 7 months. So this is a total of 7 months of work. Today I'm going to talk about car seats, belts, what I did with the bracket. So car seats, what I did, I picked up some nice car seats. They weren't expensive, but what I liked about them, they're cushy, they look cool, and that's good enough for me. I don't need light ones. I don't care. I need just most important is as much as comfortable. My car again had my own lights, my own stuff going on. So the bracket, these chairs, on this side I didn't put any slides, so I put it all the way in the back, and I think up to 6'2", I have no problem sitting in. It's a big chair, it's a little bit heavier, but it's fine. The belts, again, the two sides anchored down, big bolt, probably ½ inch on each side here, and in the top, of course, on the rail, locked up with the rail, so it fits up nicely. So if anybody knows how to do it, I learned it for the first time too, how to use this 5-point belt system. It has a zipper here, it has a bolt, like big anchor. So you choose, this is on the left side, right, left, right, and head. That's so. Again, you start here, you bolt it. Looks good. For the anchors of the chairs, I use something like this. These are heavy duty for industrial, for racks. So on this side, I used the slider for the chair to get me the best for my clutch action, and I used these. This is about maybe 2.5 inches in the back, maybe 1 inch, and this will allow me to be creative with the hole when I drill it down a panel. I think I was able to hit one of the big 2x2 big steel bar here, and here all it's gonna catch the bottom plate. So I'm using these. This will hold this thing will be held. The chair will hold the sliders, of course, and that's how the mechanism works. Okay, this is the bottom of the seat, so you can take a look at it. It looks good. I bolted that side without slider. This side's gonna be with the slider. Okay, here's the one of the pieces. Okay, and probably I'll take them out to powder coat. I got a few panels I want to powder coat. I get everything powder coat. All right, that's about for the chairs. And wish me luck. After the chairs, I'm gonna put the dash. Finally get to the dash, and after that I'll get the body in, hopefully in January. But I need to take the car out and turn it around. I need the back to be towards the wall when I get the body out and back in. Interesting, maybe when I take the car out, I'll take the body down and move it around. All right, here it goes.